Okay, now put your hand in your pocket and see if you can find the phone. Charger, headphones, and a handful of air are just disappointment. Believe me, your pocketbook and mine were once exactly the same. When I ask my father for money at the end of the month, it feels like I've asked for a kidney. And when friends want a treat, it feels like they're going underground. Listen, if you think that if you go into business, your father's sack is full. If you need money, you are in the wrong world. Today I will tell you this. I will tell you about 3 businesses that you won't need a single penny from your pocket to start. It only needs to be on your neck. Do you think that the business AC officer Dami Surtai is not business at all? It means solving other people's problems and filling your pockets with money in return. And the first idea we'll talk about to do this is, it is a service and trade or brokerage in straight Bengali but in a slightly modern style. Suppose your name is Boltu. Boltu has no money in his pocket but he has a smartphone in his hand. Even though he has a phone, the biryani at Bye Bye Biryani House in his area is great. But they don't have a Facebook page, or if they do, the last post there was in 2015. Thousands of students in Bangladesh are now earning their living by doing this work. You are sitting here. Why are you here? Yes, there is a problem here. Why do people come here to trust you? Your personal branding should present you online as if you are the boss. On this line is like this when talking to customers. Imagine having your own garment factory. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever thought about whether there is such a scale within you? What you can do to make money? Suppose you can play the guitar, or you. If you are repeatedly rejected while making love, how to handle rejection? Becoming an expert is also a scale. Our number 3 and most profitable business is the information business, or selling knowledge. Don't laugh, but they don't have time. You can go to a coaching center, you can edit videos. What did you do with your mobile? How did you do it? He started by creating a small course or ebook on how to edit videos. Is your capital your internet in your head? It's called creating a course with hard work once and selling it for the rest of your life. Passive income. You sleep while your courses are being sold and money is flowing into Bcash. It feels like a dream. Now you're saying, brother, I can't do anything. That's a blatant lie. Everyone can do something. Maybe you can write very good Bengali. Start writing content. You might be listening to people very carefully. You can start online counseling without having to look at Fiverr. Find local clients. Your neighbor's aunt wants to sell. Friends, which of these 3 ideas do you find the easiest and most interesting? Is it service brokerage, reselling, or mastery? Be sure to tell us in the comments, and yes, you. If you want to know how to get my first client or the secret technique of Facebook marketing. If you make a video with details about it, please comment in the comment box. Make a storm, whatever you want will come in the next video. If you like the video, please like it and click that red subscribe button. May your pockets be filled with money and your face be smiling. May Allah protect you.